welcome to our channel. So today we're gonna bring you guys travel to Gardens by the Bay. So let's go. So right now we're at the Bay East Garden, and over here is open 24/7. It's a great outdoor location for pictures, picnic, and other sporting like cycling. We just did a picnic here, so yeah, it was nice, except that there was many ants and insects. But other than that, it's amazing. It's like full of greenery in here, and I love it. The location here is quite hidden. If you come by public transport, take bus 11 from Stadium MRT station. The bus is a loop service. Make sure it's heading towards the direction you want. From the bus stop, it's about 10 minutes walk to the garden. It's located on the other side of the water, and it's not as crowded as the South Garden. Look, there's barely anyone here. It's just me and some one there is the flower dome, and that's the cloud forest. And if you guys haven't watched our videos when we went here, go check them out. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, don't forget to walk inside to explore the gardens too. Okay guys, so we have walked the whole garden, and now we are going to go to Marina Barrage, which is at the end of this bridge. So we're gonna go from the east to the south. Let's go. Also look, there's so many cargo ships there. Reservoir for water supply. Wow! Doesn't it look like a beautiful lake? So cool! This bridge is actually a dam to control flooding. If there's too much water, the gates will release the water into the sea. Guys, look, there's so many kites on top. You guys see? I don't think you can, but there's a lot. You can see one there. Guys, we are inside the Marina Barrage. It was really tiring, but we reached. The best part is the rooftop. So, this is the part we're going to show you. So now, we have ended our walk. We are getting really hungry now after all this walk. Do you enjoy the walk? Let us know in the comments. So until we bring you travel again. Bye!